Hey guys, it's MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Adidas original Swift Run black, all black I guess. This is actually a re-recording, so I've had to package it all back up. The reason for that is I've recorded a 15-minute video, detailed review by the way guys, but there's no audio on it. I realized that after recording the video, so I tried doing a voiceover. I don't know, basically my mic fucked up, it didn't record the voice at all. So I tried doing a voiceover on the video. It failed quite badly because of it wasn't timed properly, it just looked silly. So I thought I'd re-record it, so yeah. So sorry about that guys. So yeah, these I've had for about a month now. I've only found some time now to record it. It's 4 AM in the morning, but yeah. Adidas originals, got 3 stripes here. It's a blue box like normal. Okay, so we've got Swift Run size 10 UK, that's nice. All black by the way, made in Indonesia. Got the Adidas logo and stuff there. Sorry about my voice by the way, I'm quite ill. Brand with 3 stripes and nothing else there, just the sizes and stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. Can you tell it's been repackaged guys? You can't, can you? See, I'm a master. Right there. You actually can't tell, apart from the fact there's no tags on it, because I took them off and there's a bit of dirt, but yeah. So these are the shoes itself. Let me take one out. Okay, you can't tell yet. Look at that guys. Can you tell I've used these? For 1 month, that's alright, innit? There's no dirt on the outside, but underneath is quite dirty, so yeah. These have been crep protected, so that could be a reason why. Wow, that's soft as fuck. Alright guys, so basically I'm giving you a 1 month, after using for 1 month, a review. And to be honest, I really love these shoes. They're well comfy, they're cushioned as well, so it's soft as fuck. And yeah, so these are the shoes itself. You got we've got black tone here, another black, it's like grey black there, don't know what the fuck that is, bit of dirt. Okay, then we've got the black mesh here, and you got these grey stripes, which is very nice. Look at that. Same on the other side. Bottom is quite grippy. It's quite grippy compared to the XPLRs and stuff. So that's pretty cool. You got the Adidas sign underneath as well. It's a shame it's dirty as fuck. I might clip some bits in from the actual first unboxing. There won't be audio on it, so I'll just show you bits and bats, what it actually looked like when it was brand new. But yeah, so here you go. You got the nice texture there as well. Okay, so the front has got 3 stripes as well. Look at that. That I didn't notice that in the first video when I made it. Oh, sorry about the dirt. Fucking hell, that dirt is nasty. And it's got lines here. At first I didn't really like the Swift Runs because of these lines here, but I've grown used to it now. Okay, and now we've got these. The shoelace is actually flat, and yeah, with the Adidas logo here, which is grey and got a nice texture to it. The whole thing's made out of mesh, and it's actually one of the most comfy shoes that I've ever worn in my life. I'm not gonna lie. And you got this insole, which is different than most other Adidas shoes I've seen, which is pretty cool. It's even in Japanese. Adidas blah 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 blah. It's the comfy one that they have. That's in all the Adidas shoes, but yeah. Let me take out the other pair so you can see the same. Pretty much the exact same. So I'm going to put these on now, let you see what they look like. This review was 15 minutes long in the first video, and I can't make it 15 minutes long again because it's not even brand new, so I don't even know what to talk about. Alright guys, so I'll show you them on my foot. Hold on, I'm going to wear them now. Sorry about the attire, this is still my work clothes. I literally got home at 1, I think, something like that, and I've been recording quite a lot of videos since then. I'm catching up because I'm behind a lot, but yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so bloody hell, these are size 10s. I'm size 10, so it fits perfect. It's a bit snug at the back, but that's because I'm growing. I'm growing into 10.5 at the moment, and it's only been like 3 months since my last foot size went up, so yeah, I am going to be Bigfoot. Alright, let me put these on now. It's very difficult. because I'm trying to look at the screen as well at the same time. Right, we've got both the shoes on now. Alright, so this is what it looks like from the front, as you can see. This is, bear in mind, this is with flash on as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the side. On the side it looks pretty cool. And yeah, show you the back as well. It looks pretty nice at the back as well, because the bottom black, triple black actually looks pretty cool. And what I like about these shoes is it's more, it doesn't stand out too much, and it's very subtle, and it's more closed into your leg, into your feet. I mean, it's not like a big, it goes more into your leg. If you see XPL or the wide, they come out a bit and show off and stuff. But yeah, so let me get up close view of that. Look at that, guys, pretty cool. These are actually very comfy. Even the bottom's comfy, I'm not gonna lie. Even though it's not cushioned or anything, this bottom bit here, like NMDs or anything, even XPLRs are a bit cushioned, but this isn't cushioned, but it still feels alright. And using it for a month, I'd say I would recommend it highly. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and hopefully this time it recorded with audio, otherwise I'm gonna kill myself. And yeah, see you guys next time.